Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Disconnect the headlight terminal. Adjust the headlight angle to the maximum upward position. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the headlights. Install the headlights with the wiring harness facing down. Tighten the two fixing screws alternately. Adjust the headlights to an appropriate angle. Thread the headlight wire harness through the bottom of the front fork. Align the raised part with the notch and insert the terminal. Install the battery.